Hi, my name is Madison, and today we're going to talk about how to adjust your derailleur using its barrel adjuster at the shifter. All the mountain bike shifters will have a barrel adjuster at the shifter so that you can easily adjust them when you need to, even while you're riding. So a lot of the times the limit screws and the V-tension screws that are on the derailleur, once they're set up, they don't need to be adjusted. And a lot of the times the cables can stretch and you might need to make some fine adjustments to your cable tension with the barrel adjuster. An easy way to think about it is if the chain is having a hard time shifting up to an easier gear, or it's just not shifting to an easier gear, you would need more tension on the shift cable, and if it's shifting up too high or not shifting up or not shifting down to a harder gear, then you would need a little bit less tension. All you need to do is, right now it's having a hard time shifting up to an easier gear, so in this case we need more cable tension. So what we'll do is we'll just turn our barrel adjuster counterclockwise, and it is indexed, so it has clicks that we can count. And we'll shift again. We'll start at the bottom and slowly shift up one gear at a time and see how smoothly it shifts. And then we'll go back down. And an easy way to check to make sure that you have it is to shift a couple gears at once, and if it's able to shift all the way up or shift all the way down, then it's usually pretty spot on.